Hello everybody, come on, back at it again with a new video. Today we're gonna be doing a cookie mug or microwave cookie, and we're doing it here by Misam, who's wearing a jacket. Okay, let me go here and show you all the ingredients. Boom! This is all you're gonna need for cookie microwave mug. Okay, and this is all the stuff you're gonna need. See? Okay, let's get to it. Okay, I already did it because Misam decided to stop the recording, but you add 4 tablespoons of flour, Robin Hood if you want, whatever. Now you add 1, whatever that is, tablespoon of baking powder. So you get here, give me a second, shush, come here. And you get right here, says 1/3 of baking powder, and you, and you throw in the baking powder like so, and oh my god, disgusting. Stop laughing. Oh my god. Then you throw in, I'm pretty sure this is enough. Oh god, I spilled it.
Who cares?
Oh my, I did it on purpose. Now you add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, somebody has to knock on the door, so come out left. And Misam's doing it now.
Yeah.
So now we continue and add 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Can I just use this thing?
Oh my god, that's why you don't do it. Add the sugar. Oh. This is why I was supposed to do it.
This much?
No. Yes! Okay. Now we add 2
Nutella.
2 tablespoons of Nutella or
Nutella?
peanut butter if you want. You got the Nutella here. Getting a spoon. Yeah, and you. Yeah.
Here, let me use this.
Nice. Expert. Oh, we just landed that. Okay.
Nice.
Get another. Hurry up.
2?
I don't want the video to be long.
2?
Yeah. We're supposed to mix. Actually, it doesn't matter.
Okay, now I'll try to
Okay,
mix it.
now, yeah, mix it a bit.
Oh god.
Okay. Oh, you spilled it.
Who cares?
Okay. Now, Misam's gonna add a 1/4 of a cup of milk. Okay, find the 1/4 thing.
It's right here.
Okay, Misam's gonna put that milk in.
There's like a bunch. We're gonna make a humongous mess.
Oh my god, are we gonna even eat all of this? Does any hobo live around us?
No.
Come on, you're a hobo. Okay, put it in.
Oh, that looks disgusting.
That looks ew.
Oh, that actually looks pretty good.
You're so weird. Okay, mix.
No, end it, cause end it.
No, why do we have to end it? Keep on mixing. Mix until you can't mix more. Keep on mixing. I believe in you.
Fork.
Damn, this is looking nice.
Just put this right here.
Put some more milk. I'm filming like this, so it looks so much better.
Measure me.
Oh my. Why are you putting the milk in front of the camera?
Oh, sorry. Oh yes, that's looking good.
Damn. That's looking pretty thick.
Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
Jordan.
Yeah, I'm filming it.
Let me do my omelets.
How you make omelets, man?
Look at it, it looks so nice.
Okay, now I'm gonna add some
Now
pepper.
come with me.
Chocolate chips.
No, are you sure?
Yeah, chocolate chips.
More.
That's it.
No, more.
Mix it around.
More.
Okay, we'll add a bit more. Okay, that's enough. And now we're gonna go microwave it. We're gonna cut to when it's done.
No.
Okay, well you have to microwave it for 2 minutes, and this is the end product.
This looks really nice.
It looks sick. And now
It actually looks kind of ugly, but
shut up. We have to pretend it's good so the viewers will make it.
oh yeah.
Okay, let me get this fork, and now Misam is gonna just eat it.
Oh man, it's so hot. Oh, it actually looks so good. Smells like a pancake.
Shush, Misam, just eat it.
Why?
Cause I need
It's so hot right now.
Just eat it. Eat another bite then to prove the viewers.
Okay. Look at all that chocolate. Show them.
Oh,
What are you?
melted chocolate. We use Hershey chocolate chips. Got it at Chilo Fresco. You know.
Shout out.
Shout out.
To chill.
Sponsor me. Okay.
Oh man, that's hot.
Okay, let me review all the things. If you didn't understand, you have to use 4 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of Nutella or peanut butter, and 1/4 cup of milk. And this is what you get.
Cucumber, stop!
You ruined it.
Stop mixing it.
Okay,
What?
well, I'm gonna edit this video and upload it. Peace.
Subscribe to Kamal Vlogs.
Oh yeah. Oh, also, I have no more video ideas. So tell me, comment down below if you want. You know what? Just forget about it. We're gonna edit that part out.